Okay, so these fittings, you will cut your hose. That one's kind of stuck. It comes in a big old box of multiple, but you cut your hose and then you put it onto this piece like so. Your hose would attach right here, and then you use one of these and you can tighten it. Oh, there we go. You can tighten it down on the hose, and it also has these little gaskets in here too to help seal it. Hopefully you can see that. And right here is what it looks like when it's all done. So you can see we got this hose attached to this right here, and then we just flip that on, turn this on, and we are good to go.